Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this small video about weekly recap, trades taken and trade setups. So let's get started. Week started on the 15th and this is where I started. Now this is the chart I made. Let me go back. Okay, I'm all the way in the front. So now here the week started on the 15th November with pound Nuzi 20-minute short setup here and sell order here. SL move to break even, and you can see all the conditions met, and that's how I pull the trigger, always with the setup, nothing without the setup. So that's the first one. And then on the second, on the 15th here again, Nuzi was getting strong, so that's why. So, and this euro Nuzi coming down here, this was, you can see pound Nuzi, right? So Nuzi on the right hand side, both pairs were going down. Nuzi was getting strong against all the currencies. Now on the 16th, you can see again pound Nuzi now change. See, this all depend on the news. So the Nuzi got stalled, and then pound start getting strong, and that's the reason that now this was my short, and then boom, it goes up again. So you have to switch the stance quickly when the news comes in, and then you know what currency is getting strong or getting weaker. You need to know that, and I do it with the indexes. You know that, right? So and then I'm going to show you how I do it with the indexes. So on the 16th, pound yen, because see the pound Nuzi went up, pound yen went up, so that was pound getting strong. And gold, this is the gold entry here. I'll show you, well, not in this video. I'll make another video of gold. So this is the gold dropping my entry, and then another chart here, the same entry to the downside. Now on the 16th, pound Aussie as well. You see that? Pound yen you saw, and pound Nuzi you saw, they went up, and then pound Aussie. All pound pairs started to go up. And they, usually that happens for a day or two after the news, and then they change their direction if they have to with the news. So you got to be very careful with that. So pay attention to the news, and then your system, strategy, whatever you make using to make the entries, you use that for that day, especially that day. Every day the volume comes in and goes out, and you have to take advantage of that. On the 16th here, USD yen going to the upside. Look at these two totally different pairs, right? Pound Aussie has nothing to do with USD and yen, but look at the setup here. The style and the setup, this indicator all the way down, yellow is above the black, red candle turns blue. Same thing here. Same thing here. It went up. So this is the key setup that I'm talking about. That's my Magic IB setup. And you see that all the time in every pair. And that's where I take advantage. And then Aussie, you get that, see that? This is just the opposite, the same kind of setup. Now, short, this indicates all the way up. A blue candle turns red, yellow is below the black, here, here, here. I had this trade and this trade. This is right in front of you. Sell orders for 70 pip. And then here, USDCAD went up, same thing, right? Same setup. And then here, pound Nuzi, again, this was, you just saw that one, right? Go to the upside here, close, again, wobble a little bit, start to go up, boom. This was one day before, this was on the 16th, and this is on. Every day, the same story. If you have the daily range, if you learn about the daily range, every pair has a daily range, means it moves a certain amount of pip in every single day, like around 100, 120, 90, 80, some 50, 60. So you get in and you take the whole advantage of the whole daily move and then get out. Then the next day the same thing happened. This is the example. This was the day. This is on the 16th. They started and then start to go up. I had a setup here. This is the day. What is it? This is on 17. Then 18 started here, right? So that's how it works. And then the 18 volume time, it might go boom to the upside again. Or 19, I don't know what happened to that, 18 and 19. So this is how it is. Now 17, you have pound Aussie again. This was the first one. This is the second one for 125. Pound got strong, and every pound pair started to go up. Pound CAD, see that? This is because of pound getting strong. And on the 18th, I have Euro Aussie here, the small trade, the 65 pip. Here on the 19th, I have USD CAD again. This was the first one you just saw. This is the entry after a dip, continuation, and 85 pip. This is also a beautiful entry, but since I was in already, I don't take two entries at the same time. Just one entry, cash out, and then get in again. That's different, but never 2-3 entries. Sometimes, in Bitcoin, I'm doing that, but not in Forex pairs. I used to do that, but not anymore. You don't need to. On 19 here, Euro Yen, beautiful trade, isn't it? Right? Oh, short setup here, short setup over there, here, and then beautiful 140 pips. And this is because yen is very, very getting strong. And then see, Euro Yen, this is Aussie Yen. Look at that. Yen is keep getting strong and sending yen pairs to the downside here. And then on the 19th, CAD yen as well. That was a short. This is a short. Then again, this is the one I took, CAD yen. And that's the Bitcoin I'm talking about. These are the 3 entries that I got here, and it went up. And finally, I on the 19th closed the 2 here when I took this one. Right after that, I closed the 2 entries and left only the 1. Let's see how far it's gonna go, and it end up, those 2 were closed here, and then the third one closed here. We went up more, but so what the hell with it. So this is it, and on the 19th, and then this is the same thing again. I guess why it's coming again and again. Oh, okay, no problem. This is on the bigger chart showing that this is, it went all the way. It was there and then dip and then it went up here. So anyway, so these are the charts. And let me show you, this is not just a setup, this is my weekly analysis as well. For example, Euro USD, you didn't see me any trade doing Euro USDY because it is an extended move. What is this extended move means? That on a weekly or a daily chart, it has almost finished the swing high or swing low, and at the end you expect a turn, so you don't do anything. For example, on the Euro USD on the 29th, I made this chart that we're going to go from here to here. So what happened after that is this, that it came down there almost, right? Then I said, well, we're going to go not only from here, because the fundy conditions were in favor of going down. So I said 61%, that's where it's going to go. And then the next chart you can see as of, I think yesterday, here, on the 17th, not yesterday, I mean, last week, Friday, Thursday, I recorded this chart. So we hit the 61%. So see, from there to there, from 22 to 1200, 1,000 pip drop. So I knew that that's where it's going, and then you can just keep hitting. Similarly, US dollar index, for example, if I show you that, okay, US dollar index, I made the chart, and it was this on the 29th, right? And the other chart, I kind of missing it here. Let me just quickly show it to you, that what is the US dollar currently doing. US dollar index. And I made the chart. What happened? Let me see. On the 19th here. Yes, see? This is the chart I made in May. AB 89.62, and then we're gonna go to 38%, 60, 99, 88 was the target. See, so that's what I predicted, that we're gonna go here. Obviously, not like in a straight line, but it's like wobbly, something like that. So look at that right there, something like that. We went there slowly, down, up, and now a little bit more to go, and then maybe a big drop coming in. Right, so that's how my analysis is. And then BTC USD chart I made. Let me see, not this one. I made this chart on the 15th, right? And then look, from there, my target was this area, 55,508 for wave 3. It's 161%. What happened after a little while? Boom, exactly there. Third, 161%, 55,508 came down. Then I made the chart that we're gonna go up for wave 4, and it is almost there right now. Okay, right there. See that? This is the current BTC USD chart. So after this, it bounced. I made the chart this one, and then it went here. Probably it's gonna drop here for B. This is A, B, and then go for C here, and then for wave 5, it's gonna drop. What else I have to show here? Do I have anything? No, I don't have anything. So this is what it is. So if you like what you saw and the trades and the system, then you can go simply on my website there, here, and this is my website, right? And have monthly subscription right here. You can go and subscribe. You can read all about it, watch the videos here, that what it is, how it is, and what you're gonna get. Right? All these trades are there. My current current week charts, my last week charts, and trades are all there. And one-on-one coaching for those who are new in this business and need to learn almost, there's a lot of things to learn. Without learning, it's not easy. Right? So like Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. So if you go on one-on-one coaching, you have a video to watch here. You can watch the video, that what you're gonna get, and you're gonna learn all of this. Harmonic patterns, this, and then this, Elliott wave, and how they work. And once you learn that, life becomes easy. Okay, so this is where you can join my group, and you can become an affiliate if you want to promote whatever, make money that way. And previous, right here on my website, these are the trade setup and before charts I post here. So this is this is all about my Magic Ivy system. So like I said, if you like, this is the button, subscribe. And today is what, Saturday? Get the system, get set up your charts. Sunday I'll help if I have to over Zoom, set up your charts and everything, and start learning from Monday. Okay, all right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend.